Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook account security. And in today's video, I will show you on how to review your trusted device login activities details in your Facebook account in order to keep your account safe and remove unrecognized login devices on your Facebook account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Proceed to setting. Go ahead and click on Account Center. Scroll down right here. Go to Password and Security. Then go ahead and click on Two-Factor Authentication. Select your Facebook account. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Trusted Devices. Then here you go. You have all devices that is having access to your Facebook account and your Messenger. If you find out any unrecognized devices right here, what you want to do is to go ahead and remove the devices and it will be completely logged out from your device. For instance, if I do not recognize this device right here, go ahead and click on the device. This is going to pop up. Then go ahead and click on Remove Device. Now you are done. The device has been completely removed from your Facebook login activities. You can review and check as many as possible on your Facebook in order to keep your Facebook account safe. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.